Welcome to our basement, home of an 85-inch TV sitting awkwardly on a TV stand that's way too small. It's like trying to park a monster truck in a compact car spot. But no worries, we've got this. I had the perfect idea to create a budget-friendly TV stand that's just the right fit. Spoiler alert, it's way cheaper and cooler than anything I could have bought. First up, cube storage shelves. Yep, you heard that right. We took these simple, boring cube shelves and decided to give them a glow up. The plan? Turn them into a high-end looking TV stand while spending way less. Putting the shelves together was easy peasy. It took maybe an hour with both of us working, and because we couldn't resist a little competition, we turned it into a race. Guess who won? That's right, me. I did. But don't feel bad for Taylor. He'll win next time, maybe. With the shelves assembled, it was time to break out the saws. We built a sturdy base out of some good old 2x4s to give the stand a custom built-in look. Next, we cut a few pieces of 1x pine board to create a cool new wood top. Things were really starting to look good, and we hadn't even brought everything together yet. To attach the base to our shelves, we used pocket holes and screws, attaching from the bottom so that we wouldn't see the screws later. Neat and clean, just how we like it. Once the base was secured, Taylor took on the job of hauling everything back to the basement for assembly. Bless that man. We laid each piece on its back, lined up the bases, and clamped everything together. Then came the tricky part, screwing the shelves together. Did you know? Fun fact, these shelves have hollow spots in the middle, so that didn't really go exactly as planned. Thankfully, securing the bases worked like a charm. Now for the nerve-wracking part, flipping the whole thing right side up. But hey, no disasters here. We nailed the pine top to the top of the shelves, and just like that, our fancy TV stand was coming to life. Seeing it all take shape got us so excited, but we aren't done yet. We had some finishing touches to tackle. We painted the baseboard to match the shelves. Turns out, color matching isn't as simple as it sounds. The paint was too white, so I tossed in some gray, and voila, it finally matched. While the paint dried, I stained the pine wood top with this water-based stain in Special Walnut. It dries fast and it doesn't stink, which is a big win in my book. At last, the baseboard was secured, nail holes were filled, and one last coat of stain gave the top the perfect finish. Oh, and we added a last-minute trim piece to hide a gap. Game changer. It completely changed the look of the top. We also popped on some white stickers to cover up the shelf screws. Subtle, but effective. And now, feast your eyes on the transformation. From a cramped setup to a gorgeous, custom-made TV stand that fits that 85-inch TV like a glove. The best part, it only cost about $450, a steal compared to buying one for over $900. Plus, I can proudly say I made that. What more could you want? Like and subscribe to keep following our DIY adventures. Who knows what we'll tackle next? Not sure what supplies you need for your furniture flip? We got you. Click the link in my comment to download our free list of must-have supplies that we use every day to paint furniture.